Welcome to Castro Oasis, where remarkable transformations happen every day. This is going to be fun. It's not every day that we get to make such a dramatic change.
Alright, so what we're doing right now is getting the car ready for a thorough makeover. We're starting with a good, deep clean to make sure we get rid of any dirt and grime that's built up over time. It's crucial to have the car completely free of contaminants before we start polishing. So now we are doing an exterior and interior detail. Starting with the outside, we're doing a single-step paint correction using our trusted Rupes polishers, because they really get the job done without risking damage to the paint. Now, switching gears to the interior, we're going all in. Every nook and cranny is being meticulously cleaned by hand. We're using a variety of tools, brushes, special sponges, and specific chemicals that are tough on dirt but gentle on the materials. It's all about making sure everything looks and feels clean without causing any harm to the vehicle. The goal here is to bring out the beauty of the car, inside and out, making sure it shines and feels like new, just as our client requested. And now we're putting on the finishing touches. We're carefully removing any residual compound left from the polishing process. It's important to get rid of this so that the car's finish is absolutely flawless. Over here, one of our team members is applying a high-quality leather conditioner. Leather can dry out and fade over time if it's not properly cared for, so this conditioner helps protect and preserve its luxurious look and feel.
From overlook to override, this complete makeover isn't just about cleaning, it's about restoring pride and joy.
Isn't it beautiful?
It is.
Isn't it really? It's just beautifully proportioned. Amazing.
Yeah, so we did the leather.
Oh my God, it looks amazing. I can't believe. It's like a new car.
Ready for your vehicle to turn heads again? Visit a Castro Oasis and witness the transformation for yourself, where cars are reborn because it is our job to protect it and your job to enjoy it.